Welcome to Quiz Wave. In this video, can you find the odd construction vehicles? You have 15 seconds per game to find them. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's start.
Let's begin with the cement mixers. Can you spot the odd one out? Indeed, it's the one changed to gray. Now, onto the excavators. Can you identify the one that doesn't quite fit? Absolutely, it's the one flipped. Moving along to the excavators. Which one catches your eye? Precisely, it's the one with the warm carpet effect. Next, road rollers. Can you pick out the one that breaks the pattern? Yes, it's the one with the warm cool Nordic effect. Moving on to the dump trucks. Anything catching your eye? Exactly. It's the one changed to brighter green. Next, let's examine the road rollers. Can you spot the odd one? Yes, it's the one with the warm sandy effect. Moving on to the dump trucks. Which one appears out of place? Correct. It's the one facing the opposite direction. Excavators are next. Can you find the odd mobile crane? Absolutely. It's the one changed to brighter green. Moving on to the cement mixers. Anything catching your attention? Right, it's the one faded.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.
Cement mixer trucks are next. Which one doesn't fit? Correct, it's the one changed to brighter green. Next are the dump trucks. Which is the odd dump truck? Bravo, it's the one faded. Next up, the cement mixer trucks. Can you spot the odd one? Yes, it's the one changed to gold. Next, lorries. Which one stands out? Indeed, it's the one changed to brown. Onto the dump truck. Can you spot the odd one? Right, it's the one with the warm carpet effect. Moving on to the dump truck, spot the odd one. Right on. it's the one with the warm carpy effect. Next, forklifts. Can you find the odd forklift? Well done. It's the one with the cool Nordic effect. Next up, dump trucks. Which one seems out of place? Yes, it's the one with the natural mist effect. Next, road rollers. Can you find the imposter? Spot on. It's the one with the warm latte effect. Next are the dump trucks. Which one doesn't belong? Exactly. It's the one with the vivid wristing. Next, cement mixer trucks. Do you notice anything odd? Yes, it's the one cool Nordic. Moving on to the road rollers. Spot the odd one. Yes, it's the one with the vivid Eldar effect. Next, dump trucks. Which one doesn't fit? Correct, it's the one mirrored. Next, front loaders. Which one stands out? Correct, it's the one fading. Next, dump truck. Can you identify the odd one? Absolutely, it's the one flipped. Lastly, excavator. Which one is out of place? Right, it's the one with the warm latte effect.
If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.